Hi girls, okay, previous lesson you learned about prime factors. Okay, prime factor we have three methods to solve: listing, repeated division, and factor 3. Okay, if you forgot, you can open back the previous video. Okay, now I will explain about the prime factorization. You can refer your workbook page 24, question 5. Okay, the question want to find express each of the following numbers in the form of prime factorization. Question A 84, question B 30. Okay, so this one you can use method 3 or method 2 or method 3, either repeated division or factor 3. Okay, so both can. Okay, now I prefer repeated division. Okay, so you take 84, you correct 84, and then you must divide using prime number only, because this one prime factorization. Okay, so you must use prime number only. Okay, usually use the smallest prime number. If you don't want the smallest, you can use any number. You can use 3, but to avoid careless, better you use the smallest prime number. Okay, so start with 2. 84 divide 2, you get 42, right? Okay, divide 2, you must divide into 1. Okay, remember to find prime factor, you must divide into 1, right? But now the question want to express in the form of prime factorization. Okay, 84 divide 2, 42. 42 divide 2, 21. 21, okay. And then 21 cannot divide 2, so you choose 3. Can? Okay, if 2 cannot, 3. 21 divide 3, you get 7. Okay, and then you must divide into 1. Okay, 7 prime number, yes. So 7 divide 7, 1. Okay, until you get 1. So the answer here, okay, so 84 equal to, expressed in the form of prime factorization, means you copy this one. 2 times 2 times 3 times 7. Okay, this one the answer. Finish. This one we call expressed in the form of prime factorization. Okay, if 30, okay, 30. Okay, divide 2 first. Okay, 30 divide 2, 15. Okay, then 15 cannot divide 2, you choose 3. 15 divide 3, you get 5. Okay, then 5 prime, yes. Okay, divide into 1. And then your final answer expressed in the form of prime factorization, copy back this one. 2 times 3 times 5. Okay, then finish. So if the question asks you express in the form of prime factorization, you must write like this. But if the question asks you find prime factors only, not expressed in the form of prime factorization, but the question want to find prime factor, you must write 2. You cannot write repeat 2 times, 1 time only. 2 3 7. Okay, this one we call prime factor. This one prime factorization. Okay, you can see the difference. Prime factorization, prime factors. Okay, hi girls, now we go to the common factors. Okay, common factors. Okay, the definition of common factors here, your workbook page 25. Okay, a common factor of several number is a number which is a factor of all these number. That means previous lesson you learned about factors. Common means, okay, common means same factors. So after you list out all the factors of 12 and all factors of 18, so you find the same factors. Here same 1, 2, 3, 6. Okay, the same one we call common. Here common factors. Common factors of 12 and 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6. Because this one same, right? So common means same, equal. So now the question want to find all the common factors for each of the following, 18 and 45. So you must list the factors of 18 first. Okay, 18 here. Okay, 18 equal to 1 times 18, 2 times 9, and then 3 times 6, right? Okay, then you list all the factors of 18, 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. Okay, right here, 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. Okay, after that, factors of 45. 1 times 45, and then 3 times 5, and then 5 times 9, and then okay, that's all. Okay, right here, list all the factors of 45. 1 3 1 3 5 9 1 3 this one 3 times 15, sorry, 1 times 45, 3 times 15, 5 times 9. Okay, so 1 3 5 9 15 45. Okay, after you list all the factors, okay, this one list of factors of 18, this one factors of 45. Okay, you must list all the factors, you cannot skip any number. After that, you circle or highlight the common. Common means same number or same factors. Means one same here, 1, and then 3 9. Okay, 1 3 9, same factors. So you can write here common factors equal to 1 3 9. Okay, like that only. Okay, now involve 3 numbers. Okay, want to find the common factors of 16, 24 and 72. So list the factors of 16, list the factors of 24, list the factors of 72. Okay, so for 16 first, okay, 16 equal to 1 times 16, 2 times 8, 4 times 4, right? Then list here 1 2 4 8 16. Okay, 4 repeat 2 times, you just write 1 time only. 1 2 4 8 16. Okay, so here the list the factors of 16. Now factors of 24. 1 times 24, 2 times 12, 3 times 8, and then 4 times 6. Okay, that's all. So you list all the factors. 1 2 3 4 6 8 12 24. Okay, then factors of 72. Okay, I write here 72 equal to, okay, you just write 1 times 72, 2 times 36, then 2 times 36, and then 3 times 24, 3 times 24, and then 4 times 18, 6 times 12, 8 times 9. Okay, 1 2 3 4. Okay, list all here. Okay, 1 2 3 4 6 8 6 8 9 12 18 18 24 36 72. Okay, so list all the factors of 72. Okay, greater the number, so many factor. Great. Okay, so after you list all the factors, now you have to, okay, find the common factors. For if here 3 numbers, that means you have to find the common factors of 3 numbers. So here, okay, 1, and then 2 here. Okay, here no 3, so 3 not common factor. 4, okay, 4, and then 16 no 8. Okay, here 8. Okay, common factors. So the common factor, the answer, okay, common factors equal to 1 2 4 and 8. Okay, finish. Next question, still at the page 25, question 7. Determine whether the number in the bracket, this number, okay, is a common factor of the following number for these two. Okay, how to check this one common factors or not? So you try to divide. Okay, so 7 divide the number in bracket. So 7. Okay, can divide 1, can. And then check this one. 27 divide 7. Cannot, right? 27 divide 7, you will get in decimal, right? You will get the value like this. 3.8 sama 3.85, right? 3.857, right? So if you get this value in decimal, so automatic the answer 27 cannot divide by 7, right? So both value not common factors. Okay, so 7 is not the common factors of 7 and 27. So you can write like this. 27 is not divisible, mean cannot divide, okay? Divisible by 7. So 7 is not common factor of 7 and 27. Okay, write like that. Okay, another example. Okay, B, you try. Okay, write the working like this. And then for question C, okay, example. Okay, now question C. Okay, to check this one common factors or not, so you must divide 33 divide 11, 88 divide 11, 132 divide 11. Okay, so 132 divide 11. You get 12. So here 3, 8, 12. Right, 3, 8, 12. And then all this can divide 11. So automatic 11 is a common factor of 33, 88 and 132. Okay, you just write like this. Okay, because all number can divide, so 11 is a common factor. If one number cannot divide, you can write 7 is not common factors of the number. So complete question B and question D. Okay. Okay, hi girls. Okay, now we go to highest common factors. Okay, after you learn about factors, prime factors, and then you learn the common factors. Okay, now the very important part, highest common factors. Okay, highest common factor, or we can call it as HCF. Okay, we have three methods. Method 1, listing. Method 2, repeated division, or another name we call it algorithm. Method 3, prime factorization. Okay, now I will explain method 1, listing. Okay, listing. So we use the same question, but we will solve using 3 methods. Okay, then the answer all will equal. Okay, even though you use the different method, but the final answer must equal. So find the highest common factors of 18 and 30. Okay, first method, listing. The listing method same like you solve the common factors. Okay, first you have to list all the factors of 18. And then you have to list factors of 30. Okay, 18 and 30, right? So list all the 18 first. You know the factors of 18. 1 times 18, 2 times 9, 3 times 6. And then you can list here. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. Okay. And then factors of 30. 1 times 30. And then 2 times 15, 3 times 10, 5 times 6. Okay, then list all here. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, 30. Okay, you list all the factors. Okay, factors of 18, factors of 30, and then find the common. Okay, just now you learn common factors, right? Common means same factors. So one same here, 1, 2, 3, and then 6, right? Okay, so common factors 1, 2, 3, 6. So common factors 1, 2, 3, 6. Okay, common factor 1, 2, 3, 6. Now the question want to find highest common factors, right? The question want to find the highest common factors. So from the common factors, highest common factors, highest means biggest, greater. Okay, so which one the bigger value? Okay, bigger value 6. So the HCF of 18 and 30 equal to 6. Okay, because this one bigger. So this one the HCF. HCF equal to 6. Okay, this one listing method. Okay, now we will go to the second method. Use the same question. Okay, now we still use the same question. Okay, find the highest common factors of 18 and 30. So now we go to method 2. Repeated division or algorithm. Okay, method 2, 18 and 30, right? Okay, you must write 18 and 30. You write like this, 18, 30, comma. Okay, write comma. And then draw line. Okay, means you want to divide. Because this one repeated division, right? Okay, divide. Okay, you can use any value. If you don't want prime number also can. You can use any value that can divide both. For example, 6. You straightly can write 6 here. Can. Okay, but if you want to avoid careless, you can use prime numbers. Okay, so for example like this. Start with the smallest prime number. What number you can divide by both? Okay, 2. Okay, you start with 2, the smallest prime. So 18 divide 2, 9. 30 divide 2, you get 15. Okay, now you can find any number can divide both number. 3, right? 3 can divide 9, can divide 3. 15 also can divide 3. So 9 divide 3, you get 3. 15 divide 3, you get 5. Okay, now you can find any number that can divide both 3 and 5. So you cannot find any number can divide both, right? So you have to stop here. You have to stop. So stop. Okay, you stop here, and then the highest common factor equal to, okay, this value you must multiply 2 times 3. So you get 6. So this one we call method 2, repeated division or algorithm. So if you cannot find any number can divide 3 and 5, you must stop. And then these two you multiply. 2 times 3, you get 6. So same like the listing, right? Listing answer. Just now you list, you get highest common factor equal to 6. Now you use repeated division, also the answer you get 6. And then finish. Okay, now method 3, still the same question. Find the highest common factors of 18 and 30. So now method 3, prime factorization. Okay, so first step, okay, so 18, and then we have 30, right? Okay, you find the prime, you write in the form of prime factorization. So you must use prime number first. 18 divide 2, you get 9. So 9 cannot divide 2, you divide 3. 9 divide 3, you get 3. 3 divide 3, 1. Okay, you must use prime number only, and then you must divide until you get 1. And then 30, okay. Okay, 30 divide 2, you get 15. Okay, and then 2 cannot, then you choose 3. 15 divide 3, you get 5. And then 5 divide 5, 1. Divide until you get 1. Okay. Then, to find the highest common factors, okay, you must write 18 here. And then 30 below. And then dotted line. And then you must write the factorization, prime factorization beside 18. 2 times 3 times 3. 2 times 3 times 3. And then 30 also 2 times 3 times 5. Okay, must but 2 times 3. Okay, but make sure up and down must same number. So 5 you write here. Okay, because you cannot write here because 3 and 5 not same value. Okay, this one same value. And then now after you write this, okay, you find which one same. 2 and 3 only. This one not same, right? Just one value only here. Here also one value. Okay, so this one you can write 2 here times 3. So 6. So HCF equal to 6. Okay, so this method we call prime factorization method, method 3, to find the highest common factor. Okay, now go to the page 26. Okay, question A. Okay, page 26, question A. Okay, question 8. Okay, find the highest common factors by using method of listing and prime factorization. So question A we use listing method. For question B we use prime factorization. Okay, so start with question A first, listing. Okay, so question A 22 and 56. So listing method must find factors of 32. Okay, you list all the factors of 32 and then factors of 56. Okay, list all the factors of 56. So if 32, 1 times 32, 2 times 16, 4 times 8. 56, 1 times 56, 2 times 28, 4 times 14, 7 times 8. Okay, list and then you write here. Okay, list mean you list all factors of 32. 1, 2, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. And then list all the factors of 56. 1, 2, 4, 7. 1, 2, 4, 7, 8, 14, 28, 56. Okay, after you list all the factors, now we find common factors. Common means same factors. Okay, the common factors here, 1, 2, 4, 8. Okay, 1, 2, 4, 8. Okay, from the common factors, you can identify the bigger number. Okay, after you find the common factors, 1, 2, 4, 8. So automatically from the list of the common factors, you can identify the bigger number here, 8, right? So automatic HCF equal to 8. So this one listing method. Okay, listing method means you have to list the factors and then identify the common factors. After that, from the common factors, the bigger number from the common factor, we call this highest common factors, HCF. Okay, next question B. Okay, 16, 36 and 48 must use prime factorization method. This one method 3, right? Method 1 listing, method 2 repeated division, method 3 prime factorization. Okay, you must understand all the method. So this one, to find highest common factor by using prime factorization method. Okay, first step. Okay, write in the form of prime factorization. Okay. Okay. Must use prime number only, because this method we call prime factorization. So must use prime number only. So divide by 2 first. 16 divide 2, 8. Divide 2, 4. Divide 2, 2. You must divide until 1, okay? Divide 2, 1. Okay, so 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, you get 16. And then here, divide by 2 first. 36 divided by 2, you get 18. Divide 2, 9. Okay, 2 cannot, choose 3. 9 divided by 3, you get 3. 3 divided by 3, 1. Okay, you must divide until 1. Okay, then 48, 2, 24, 2, 12, 2, 6, 2, 3. And then divide by 3, 3 divided by 3, 1. Okay, here all must prime number only. So to divide, start with the smallest prime number. If cannot 2, choose 3. If cannot 3, 5. 5. If cannot 5, 7, and so on. Must prime number only, because this one prime factorization method. Okay, now you have to arrange the number here. 16, 36, 48. Okay, then double dot or equal, okay. Okay, so 16 you copy here. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Okay, like that. And then 36, 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. Okay, I can write here 2 times 2. Okay, this one cannot put 3 because this one 2, right? So you write here times 3 times 3. Okay, you must make sure the number, okay, the first the above and the down number same. Okay, up and down number must equal number. If 2, 3 cannot. Okay, 2, 2, okay. And then 2, 2, 2, 2, 3. 2, okay, you copy back. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, okay, right? Because this one same, you copy back. Okay, now. Okay, you arrange like this. Okay, make sure this one same, okay? This one 3, okay, this one you can write 2, because here also 2. Okay, now, find the same, because this one, this involve 3 numbers, right? 16, 36, 48. So, to find the HCF, you must identify the same involve 3 numbers also. So, here, 1, 2, 3. Common factors, right? 2. This one also, same 3 numbers. 1, 2, 3. Okay, this one you cannot box, because this one just 2 only. 36, no more number 2, right? This one also. This one just 2 number only. Okay, so this 2 only common. Then write down 2 times 2. So 2 times 2 equal to 4. So highest common factor equal to 4. Okay, because if this one involves 3 numbers, so here must 3 equal. Okay, if 2 only cannot count. So you box and bring down, then multiply. 2 times 2 equal to 4. Like that only. Okay, now the last example, page 26. Okay, so this question 1, you find the HCF using the repeated division. So for question A, 14 and 28. Okay, start with Okay, copy 14 and 28. Okay, comma, okay, and then draw a line like this. Okay, so divide by 2 first. Okay, 14 divide by 2. Okay, 7. 28 divide by 2, you get 14. And then 3 cannot. Okay, 5 cannot. So you choose 7. 7 divide 7, 1. 14 divide 7, you get 2. Okay, then you have to stop here because you cannot find any number that can divide both. So you stop. So HCF equal to this one, you multiply 2 times 7. So you will get 14. Okay, this one question A. Question B. Okay, question B. 63, 99 and 135. Okay, so divide by. Okay, first you write. Sorry, I write here. 63, 99, 135, right? Okay, 2 cannot because 63 cannot divide by 2. So you choose 3. Okay, 63 divide by 3, you get 21. 99 divide by 3, you get 33. 135 you divide by 3, you get 45. Okay. And then try to divide 3 again. 21 divided by 3 can 7. 33 divided by 3, 11. 45 divided by 3, you get 15. Okay, now now you find any number that can divide these 3. If you cannot find, you must stop. Stop here. So the highest common factor for this, okay, this one multiply 3 times 3. So HCF equal to 9. Then finish. Okay, this one for question B. Okay, this one for question A. Using repeated division. Okay, to understand better, you must practice. Okay, so your homework, try your textbook question.